guys, it's your girl Mariana here, back with another video. Today we're going to be trying foreign snacks. Yay! Let's just get started. So we got the little butter cookies, and this is what they look like. I got everything from Hello Tokyo, so shout out to them. So I kind of opened it, and you get 3 cookies. This is the packaging. You get 3 cookies. When they said bourbon, I was like, is alcohol in these? I'm not an alcohol type person, but we just gonna try it. This is bacon. This is good. If you don't taste now alcohol, you know this what reminds me of. I don't know, but this is a good cookie. I'm gonna give this a 7 out of 10 because this is really good. It reminds me of the Chessmints. Now I know what it reminds me of. It's really good though. Moving on. Next we have Hello Panda. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is what it looks like. I think it's a little panda with a little tennis racket. It's so cute. We're gonna taste another one because I think I still have that butter cookie in my mouth. And getting out the box. Ooh, what's this one? I don't know. Skiing. It's so cute. We like this. I have to give this one a 9 out of 10. I recommend these guys. Go check them out. That is good. Next one we have it's like a green tea type cookie. This is the hopefully I like these because I normally get like the matcha frappuccino at Starbucks. So hopefully we like these. Oh, they look like little macaroons. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, y'all see that? It looked like a little Oreo with a little macaroon mixed with it. It looks good. The smell? No, I don't think I should smell that. Just to eat it. Y'all did this. Y'all did this. Give this maybe a 5 out of 10. Is the honey butter potato chips. This is the one that I was actually worried about. I like chips, and I like my chips to, you know, taste right. Hopefully, they don't fit. I cannot get this. Oh, child, I need some scissors to open this. This bag is hard. We had to do it the old-fashioned way, just do a little tear in the bag, because it wasn't opening the regular way. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. It looks like a Lay's potato chip. This. I can eat this whole bag. This is good. Like, it's every man and woman for himself when it comes to this bag. This is good. I'm gonna get out of 10 out of 10 because that was good. That was good. So last but not least, it's mochi ice cream. This is what it looks like. I didn't know, like, I low-key kind of had a slow moment. I thought it was like individual wrapped, but it's not. That's why I had to go get a spoon. Hold on, where's my spoon? Spoon. Oh, the spoon cold. I'm gonna tear it from this side. We're just gonna tear it from this side, guys. Look at me struggling. We're struggling today. Hold on. I gotta get a napkin because my hands cold as I don't know what. Okay. This is what it looks like, honey. It's giving life. It's giving cookies and cream. Let's just taste it. I don't know. It's low key. Hopefully it's melted where I can eat it. Hold on. A little stuck. It's a little stuckery. Oh my gosh. It's the struggle for me. I'm still struggling. Okay. I think I got it. I think we got it now. Hold on. Wait, honey. Wait. They knew what they was doing with this one. So we're just gonna put this aside. I don't want to just be splurging on here and just eating all these goodies. But guys, I really hope you like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.